एक्चुअली आजकल अपना एनर्जी डाउन हो गया लगता है थोड़ा। क्यों? कि वी वांटेड टू सेंड इट टू इंटरनेशनल लेवल, अभी अपने मद्रास लेवल में भी नहीं है, तो समथिंग रॉन्ग समवेयर। समवेयर मीन्स द भावना ऑफ कलेक्टिव पीपल, सिंपल। इतनी पावरफुल है। लास्ट टाइम मिलाप ने पूछा था ना कि भाई इजराइल वाले के लिए सब, लास्ट टाइम पूछा, कल पूछा था क्या है? येस्टरडे, राइट। तो दी भावना ऑफ द इजराइल इज सो मच कि दूसरे वर्ल्ड वाले कोई नहीं चल सकता उनका, किसी का भी। बट जबकि उसने पूछा था कि उनके विचार, सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन, एवरीबडी थिंक्स दैट देयर शुड बी पीस, थिंग्स, बट दे डोंट हैव भावना। भावना is doesn't have any equivalent word in English, simple, because everybody thinks. Last Monday we were telling what thoughts have smell and thoughts also have color, and इसीलिए अपने बोल रहे थे कि नमो रिंताणम में 5 कलर है, बिकॉज ईच गिव्स यू थॉट। नमो रिंताणम से भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कलर। If you have look at the color, you can absorb the energy of the God. Color देखते रहो। And we said universe में 7 colors थे, and now reduced to 5 colors. That's why we have Namo Antarnam 5 colors. Colors, we are all talking about color and smell. Color and smell are the only possible thing in the world which can change the world. Can be on the either side, construction and destruction. Some color may give you so much of power, energy, that it may even destroy. किसी ने पूछा था last time, somebody asked, no भावना, I think you and somebody. What exactly the difference between thought and bhavana? Everybody thinks, I must become multimillionaire, I must this, that, or get this thing, all that. The bhavana is almost connected with desires. I want this, I want this. Thoughts are like desires, thoughts, सोच, desires, ये हो जाए वो हो जाए, but bhavana is always for the good. That is the major difference between thoughts. English में, Western में, there is no equivalent word, because they always think. But no doubt thinking also has got color. Every time you think, there is a color around your face, around your body. Which organ is thinking, that organ will change the color. And if the man is totally spiritual, the whole aura will have a different color. And level of spirituality again changes the color. If you are at peace, one color. If you are spiritual, another color. Around the, and it is in the form of oval. If it is FIZ, you are not mentally happy, or your body is not happy. Major difference now you understand. Thinking, thought, bhavana. And इतना beautiful बनाया भावना means, bhav means value, na means no. Simple. So beautiful, no? Bhavana means you cannot judge the value in terms of money, in terms, there is no value at all. You cannot compare. There is no value at all. And bhavana is 100% will get the things done. Why I am telling? All collective people, we don't have bhavana that it should spread. We are only limited to ourselves. Yes, I must be all right and I should not fall sick. That's it. Your bhavana is not to that extent. You think I must be all right, I must not, that is only thoughts. The moment you want to send this theory to universe, then it becomes bhavana, and that we are lacking. Otherwise, how can you find such a good thing? For 10 years we are running and you have only about 50 people around here. When available free, nobody is interested. The problem is with whom? Collective bhavana of all the 0 people. Vipinjan alone can do nothing. We must see if you are really interested in a theory, interested in the welfare of the international people or Indian people or whatsoever, you have to really have a powerful bhavana. Bhavana again powerful. Think collective. When collective it becomes powerful. Individually it is not powerful, right? Collectively it becomes very powerful. And it can do wonders. Thought for the good turned into action is bhavana. Now whatever we think powerfully for the benefit of the society, not for you, the bhavana again is not for individual, not for selfish motive. There's again major difference. It's for the happiness of the other people or the welfare of the other people, then only bhavana comes. For you, mere bhav hai, tapasya karne, all that, that is not bhavana. That is only, your selfish motive that by virtue of tapasya, your karma reduced ho jayega, all that doesn't come under bhavana. For the welfare of the neighbor or opposite people, if you really think and you get the things done, then whole process is known as bhavana, which cannot be compared in terms of value. We have to see that this spreads and try to understand colors of, just imagine, if you are wild, just think, look at the mirror, immediately the color will be different here. If you are peaceful, again look or think. All the time, whenever you are peaceful, just think. And that time, if we have bhavana, it will surely get the things done. The context is clear, the result is clear. Simple. The context is 80%, the result is 80%. You won't get that result. Powerfully think. And you can surely get the things done. Whatever, for the benefit of society, for benefit of opposite people, not for you. So, it should use, first basic principle is, one should not be selfish. The first principle, one should not be selfish. If it's selfish, nothing can be achieved in the world. We are all born here for doing something good. And whatever possible from your side, for anybody's side, you may have money, you may have power, you may have time, you may have something, contribute for the benefit of, then you can really do some wonders collectively. Individually, it's very difficult in this country. Individually, you can do something in other countries, but not here. It's difficult because the total bhavana of the people are simply no. You ask anybody, this theory, will it go? No, you are not possible. First thing, the man will say no. This is how we have been brought up. We have been brought up in this country, just what do we lose, say no man. And we don't agree for the best. For the good things, it doesn't appeal our mind because we have been brought up in this society where not things are taken so easily accepted. A new thing is not accepted so easily. Because the culture probably is joint family so much. It's like India, the culture is different. We are brought up under strict discipline. So elderly people say we are that type. We don't use our brain. That is why every time we have got generally, okay, no, yaar, it doesn't work. It's not going to work. The moment 10 people say not going to work, your bhavana will reduce. This is how we are down. We are not able to spread this because we are not powerful enough to send this bhavana into the universe. Unless you send these thoughts in the universe, it will not be picked by the opposite man. Whatever your bhavana has to be sent to the universe. How do you send? By sheer powerful thoughts. When you are peaceful, send it to the air. Whenever you are peaceful, think that this should be done. Whenever you are peaceful, that time only the universe will accept. Otherwise, there will be distraction. If we are not peaceful, your bhavana will be distracted. It will not be sent to the universe. There is no other force. Your own negative force will not allow it to be, sent to the universe. Got it? So, we have to be peaceful in sense. How are we peaceful? Start from the home. Start from the food. Again, every time we have got to come to the food. Whatever the focus center point is all the time food. Who prepares food? And whatever your bhavana, this is contraction, it has to be expanded. The whole world is contraction and expansion, simple. Whole world is, first it will be compressed, your thoughts, bhavana, then by your body power, by mind power and by intellectual power, it has to go to the, and if it is for the benefit of the world, it has to go, it is going to do the good work and it is going to turn into action, simple. So you have understood, bhavana, thought has a color, it has also sometimes weight also, yes. When you are happy, your weight increases by half kg or quarter kg. When you have sorrow, weight reduces. So bhavana has a color and bhavana has a weight and it is a smell. The whole world is full of, the birth of this world is smell. We have to repeat again, right? The smell of the earth, the smell of the water. The biochemistry of these two smell produce the world. That is the basic. We are above Darwin's theory. Nowhere in the world says the smell has produced the world. We are the only people we are saying smell has produced the world. And smell is the only thing which can travel faster. Next to bhavana. Bhavana can travel without any medium, but smell has to have some medium. Through the smell, you can send to the universe. After one stage, you don't need a smell, it is sent to the universe. One has to practice. For all this, nose is the most powerful part of the body. Most powerful in the world is nose. Why? Because smell is the most powerful thing. Without breathing, without eye you can be surviving, right? Without ear you can survive, right? How can you survive without? And everybody says pranayam, yoga, meditation. But nobody knows how to do meditation, how to watch the breath, not possible for us. Whether breath is going out, is inside, whether it is having the smell. Breath also will have smell. Whatever you eat or whatever you think, collectively they will produce the smell. Last time I told you, no, by mistake, one Sikakai thing went inside my eye. Long back we said, it went into the eye. Body has sent it through the sweat, and sweat was giving the smell of Sikakai. In the eye and here and Sikakai smell. So wonderful work body can do. They gone inside slowly that thing expanded, melted. It cannot be sent through the urine or a toilet. It is sent through the sweat in form of smell. Sweat smells. तो कितना पावरफुल रहेगा बॉडी. So much powerful the body can do wonders without your thinking. Then why the body is not doing? Body is meant for doing everything. All the action, sleep, everything is within the body at the time of birth. But why doesn't do? Because we are interfering with the body. Because there is distraction in the body. We are trying to interfere. No. Not like this. I'll take like this and this will happen like this. Then you listen to the other opposite man. Then you listen to the doctor. Then you listen to so many people. Then there is the interference. The body stops doing good things. Simple as that. What we should do is what we should not do. So easy. But then who does it? How beautifully, body is made. By chance something goes inside the nose. But it goes, may go and out. Eye, it is again sent out. Ear goes wrong, again you have pus. And we think all this remedial measure of the body, we treat this as disease. All the natural process of the body, which we feel like cough, cold, this, that, and this is a laddu for the doctor, because it becomes halwa for them. The disease is halwa for them. Okay, chance mila usko. For something, at least you have some patience. Try to understand things. Try to understand. Make a list of what are all you are eating. 100% you can become your doctor. Just observation. Just observe here this thing and you can become a doctor. Make a list, then know what is wrong. In the process, you have to know really hot and cold. Without knowing hot and cold, expansion, contraction, you cannot understand zero therapy. Just apply the oil. Watch this thing. Some people may get cold and a fever just by applying oil. And some people not get fever at all. Every body is different. Every body's immune theory is different. And at the time of birth, the ratio of hot and cold, this our basic theory of gerotherapy is, at the time of birth, your ratio of hot and cold is fixed, which is not common to other man. It's your ID PAN number, your PAN. Is that different? Nobody can make another man like that. And food only can make this ratio in a perfect, the original condition. Yesterday, casually, I went to one book, just skin. One of the big, leading doctor of the world. And he says, pH of the skin is normally 7.2 or 7. And when you grow elder, the pH becomes 5 point or something like that. Now, 90% what I feel, all gerotherapy children, their pH will be 6.8 or 7 only. When the skin is born, it is 7. And medical science says it is 5 point something when you grow. Are we not tampering with the skin? Why should it be less? When it is meant to be 7, water is 7. The skin also should be 7. See, water, they say it should be 7. Then skin also, when at the time of birth 7, then why not it 7? Again our theory, everywhere 7 days, 7 spiritual, 7 figure, everything is 7 in the world. 7 is accepted universally spiritual right for almost everything. ग्रह 9 नहीं होते हैं, 7 ही होते हैं. Rahu Ketu added later. See, always there is some connection of 7 in the universe. Now we'll have to actually see and prove the medical science as wrong. And they never thought why it should be 5. Zero therapy knows, because we are eating acid food. Our theory that if it comes in the eye, it comes in the sweat. Via how? How does it come in the sweat? Via skin only, no. The slowly skin pH will change because you are trying to eat acids more. And they don't understand. This is big research by zero-therapy. Nowhere in the world. Nowhere. Because all skin doctors, yesterday went through, nobody says. And they don't understand. And they try to cure skin cancer, small thing. And our zero-therapy children, if they take badam paste, the pH of the skin improves. That's why our children will not have 7. But now I'm trying to find out a device where we can check. Within a week's time, we can check the children's pH skin also. Or ours. Ultimately, what it proves? What matters for the body is matter that goes inside the body, even for the skin, even for the nose, even for the mind, and even for the soul. Body and soul are related closely till one dies. Soul cannot stay without body. Body cannot run without soul. But the moment soul knows that your body is not fit, how soul is so much selfish, When the soul knows this is become idiot, the body is idiot, this man just goes out and leaving you alone. And the body is dead. See how soul is intelligent. When he finds the house is going to break, he just leaves your body and goes to another body and finds a home. So when you die, nothing is going to happen. Your body is damaged. It cannot be repaired. Soul knows at that time only it leaves. Before that it will not live. Whatever you do, whatever zero-therapy does, whatever doctor does, the soul will not live. It knows that this body has got still the strength to be in the world. Let me not leave. See how intelligent the soul is. A soul means what? Energy. Energy is what? Your bhavana, your thoughts, all that put together, your environment, the color energy, the smell energy, all that put together becomes the energy of the soul. Because bhavana doesn't do wrong. So, as long as you have got bhavana, the soul improves. As long as you got thoughts and desires, you go down. Again, needs and wants. You can't say, I don't. If the need is there, you have to think that I want it. But then wants? No. Wants is desire. Need is a must. So, for a family, there are needs and they have to be met because you are a responsible man. Without responsibility, you will not get peace. So, you have to first responsibility to our family complete, towards a business complete, then only you can get peace. And the next to peace is what they call enlightenment. So zero therapy in a way is enlightenment of the soul or Atma or what? Now people call art of living, art of eliminating so much, but ours is, you know what? Zero therapy is art of illuminating, because the soul light is a new word today. There was nowhere in the world this word. Art of illuminating ourselves when you are able to send the light, the soul, that level zero therapy is, that level. By sheer food and combination thought, you will be able to illuminate yourself. In the language of those people, enlightenment. That happens. Almost all our soul, zero therapy people, their soul is almost above normal level people. Because every time I check what he's talking, 100% zero therapy follower, they will not talk money, they will not talk about desires. Normally they will talk only about needs and the problem of the opposite friend or neighbor, trying to solve, trying to help, whatever. Each person in zero therapy is trying to help the society in a way which he can. He is not selfish at all. See, so much, our enlightened soul is getting up higher level and level, slowly and slowly. Because we are not getting distracted, but there are some ladies who are always getting distracted, their soul will be there only. Because most of the time ladies decide are getting distracted by the bhavana of the opposite person. Thoughts, we can't say bhavana. Opposite person thoughts, they are their same level only. But since we are little powerful, not listening to the customer. Because we have practiced not listen to the customer, listen to your own business. So we have got different type of nature and they have got different type of nature. There may be some mistake. Raise your hand. Samjha na? Kyunki when you start listening, sometimes what happens? The energy level and flow is so much, even if there is a mistake, our people think correctly. This is one big major point. Even if the tongue slips and there is a mistake, nobody is able to find the mistake even for a month. We have stopped one 21st, in the speed, instead of construction, we have set distraction. So 21st Monday session is not appearing, we'll correct it, okay. But you are all listening to the energy level. That is one major point. Even if I say mistake, you are able to understand the right thing. वो कितना बड़ा power रहेगा इस area का? इस area कितना wrong also? You listen right. इससे बड़ा क्या power होना energy में यार? What else you need? Even if I say wrongly, you are able to understand right. Last time I said, I am able to talk only for 30 minutes because he's trying to test. And everybody thought it is correct. Because they knew nothing is going to wrong हो नहीं सकता है. लेकिन did anybody think नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा वो. Nobody want to say कि आपका capacity. But flow में कोई see the flow. Nobody can dare say your capacity of Vipinjan at least in this hall, right? And everybody knows that also. But the people listen now. ये energy level ऐसा होता है, wrong भी right हो जाता है. बस चल रहा है force के साथ में ना. See, this is the energy level of all the people. How all the zero therapy people do not use smell. First point, no distraction here because there is no perfume, no distraction. Because there is no balm, no distraction. Because no is not here, no distraction. That's why the energy goes up. The energy goes only because of this. Not because of you, Atma. Because you are following certain set of system prescribed in the zero therapy. The bhavana and power comes only because of following the nose. Automatically it goes up. Like plane, when the jet sent the back, it doesn't go front, it goes automatically. There's no wheel and all that. For jet, how does it go? Because it sends the back kachra. The moment it sends kachra, the force. Yahi system works in zero therapy. When you are following a strict no, you are illuminating your body, and you can surely check. There is a camera, you go and sit in the front of camera, probably charging 100, 200 rupees, I don't know. Sometime that camera will come and you can check your aura. There are system nowadays, clean, क्या बोलते रहे? Krillin camera, something like that. They are camera developed for seeing your aura, seeing your, in other words, Atma. So all the one day we will see that photo is taken of all the people. कितना फर्क पड़ता है thought से, इससे, smell. Our shirt doesn't stink. Where is the other shirt? There was an experiment, with the shirt, he can find out the boss. A dog can find out the boss with the shirt. ये मेरा boss का ही नहीं है. The smell is so powerful. Smell कितना risky भी है, कितना अच्छा भी है. क्योंकि smell से mosquitoes are born. Only smell. Mosquito, there is no male and female यार. The flower में कहाँ से आता है? The smell only. Last time we were telling some point, no, for beach. Yeah, we'll have to again. In the body, seeds are important. We just forgot, no? Seeds are important in the body. We are talking about genetically modified. Seeds do not, genetically modified seeds do not have reproduction power. And hence, those GM are not good for our body. But seeds are important, roughage is important, like गुआ, अनार, then भिंडी भूल गए थे अपना मेन ट्रम्प कार्ड इज भिंडी. दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर जीरो थेरेपी. बीज है ना उसमें. एंड देन बीन्स ऑल्सो यू हैव बीज. कारामणी ऑल्सो यू हैव बीज. लास्ट टाइम वी डिड नॉट कवर these 3 items. Seeds are the most powerful thing required by the body, because it has got the vitality of producing. A seed can produce fruit, right? Seed can produce a tree. Hence, seeds are very important in our body. If they are not GM, genetically modified, no use. Otherwise, seeds are very, very important for vitality. Next is nuts. Badam, pista, next. That is for running. This is for keeping you vital, keeping you alive. That is for power, for running. Nuts and seeds are most important, and all the colors are important. The available smell, which does not strain your body, natural smell, but even sometimes rose may also give you a headache. If the pure rose also may give you a headache, depending on the condition of your body and depending on the temperature of the sky. If it's very cold, then rose may give you trouble. So you have to watch. But nature has done wonderful thing. Roses are generally available in summer only. See, kitna it knows. From February only the rose comes, and the Gulkan is made in March. Kitna beautiful system hai, you have to follow the universe. And one, because of sunlight only the Gulkand is made. So far, rain can make a havoc. Air can damage. है ना? Always अपने देखते हैं साइक्लोन आ गया, एयर आ गया, या विंड आ गया, जोर से कुछ हो गया. सन ने आज तक कभी किसी को तकलीफ नहीं दिया है. सनलाइट हैज नेवर बर्न्ड एनीथिंग. कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है सन फॉर द ह्यूमन बीइंग, फॉर द नॉट ह्यूमन, फॉर द यूनिवर्स. Air can damage, wind can damage, water can damage, but sun can never damage anybody. So how wonderful. So sunlight is the most essential part required by our body. ज़्यूरोथेरेपी को तो सनलाइट बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. ज़्यूरोथेरेपी के लिए सनलाइट बहुत ज़रूरी है. वी हैव टू ईट सनलाइट रादर. एक बना देना चाहिए अपने, भाई कहाँ जा रहा है, सूरज खाने जा रहा हूँ, बस एक प्रॉब्लम बना देना, कहाँ जा रहा है भाई, सूरज खाने जा रहा हूँ. एंड इट विल बी बहुत बहुत एसेंशियल item, seeds, sunlight, all that why I am telling, after that only your bhavana will become powerful. Suddenly bhavana will not become, you are having pain here, you are having like this, then you can't think good, simple. So you have to be first trim, fit, physically, then only you can send the bhavana to the universe. Otherwise no. Keep thinking, keep giving homework to the brain here. Always give homework to the brain. Creativity, सोचते रहो, thinking, and give work. ऐसे क्यों हुआ? Why this, that? Keep thinking. If I don't see Bhandari for 3 days, keep thinking. अगर नहीं आया अपना PR ट्रेडर्स, फोन नहीं आया, चाय नहीं पिलाया, सोचो क्यों नहीं हुआ, 2 दिन के बाद में सोचो, फोन करो. Keep वर्किंग. ब्रेन को काम देते ही रहो. ब्रेन, कीप गिविंग होमवर्क टू द ब्रेन. वन डे यू विल फाइंड इट कैन सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम इन द वर्ल्ड. इट कैन, बिकॉज वंडरफुल थिंग. मन का भी इक्वलेंट नहीं है. सी वी आर टेलिंग नो, मन का भी इंग्लिश में इक्वलेंट नहीं है और भावना के भी इंग्लिश में इक्वलेंट नहीं है. तो अपना कल्चर कहाँ से आ गया था? स्मेल. खाली कहीं से स्मेल आ गया नहीं, अपना ज़रूरत नहीं है पहले से. ऐसा चाय का भी स्मेल है ना, मैंने चाय को पॉकेट में नहीं डाला. दिस पत्ती आई डिड नॉट पुट इन माई पॉकेट बिकॉज देयर इज अ स्मॉल स्मेल. और उस किसी भी कारण स्मेल गोज हियर. सी प्रैक्टिकल गोज हियर. इट गोज, पार्ट ऑफ इट गोज टू द ब्रेन and part of it goes down. The moment it goes down, it will be harmful. Then what brain does? It gives signal. एक यहाँ से केमिकल छोड़ता है, उसको the chemical is released and becomes like phlegm or whatever it is, and it comes here in the kerchief. कैसा? See how practical हो गया ना? It goes. If it would have gone inside, then we'd have a problem. Just got stopped here. How? Smell goes and cough comes. The smell and another chemical released from here, gland. These are gland. Organ cannot release chemical. The gland can release chemicals. See, that is the beauty. That's why glands are important. Organ like heart, kidney are not that much important for safety. Then this releases chemical. That chemical and this one produces another some and comes out. कितना superb है. But for that your body has to be, yes. Sometimes we go for marriage, sometimes we go here, sometimes we eat rubbish, all that, and we have no choice. Then the body becomes dabba. Simple. Dustbin, storage, dalo, kachra. And then once you start dumping, then it doesn't work. All these glands do not work. Because glands are only releasing chemicals. They don't eat anything. As you eat, whatever required by the glands are taken and they act in emergency. They release chemical only emergency. Till then, they just absorb and keep it. Whenever required, releases. तो ये any doubts on this or anything? next time what I suggest, you have small bit of paper in the pocket. Whenever you get doubt or anything, 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, just put a slip and give to me here. And that is more, rather not more नहीं बोल सकते हैं, better, because more better is not English language. So it's better for clearing the doubts. जब भी कहीं एक पेपर लो, लिख लो, एक पॉइंट चुप गए और पेपर यहाँ दे दो, and those clarification will be useful for people. But lecture, everyday lecture for 10 years we've been running, no, 10 years continuous, like Guinness record, but still it doesn't work. So clearing doubt, that may work better, and we can always extend. जेब में रख लो या किसी को दे दो, मेरे को दे दो, एंड काम हो जाएगा अपना, सब कहीं तुम्हारा एक को लिखने से दूसरों का काम हो जाएगा ना. यू मस्ट ऑलवेज हैव, कहीं ना कहीं डाउट तो आता ही रहता है लाइफ में ना यार. ऑलवेज ये वन कहीं ना कहीं चलता ही रहता है ना. अरे यार, जब बॉडी को जितना जनरली 12:30 इज 4 जनरली नहीं है, लेकिन अगर विंटर है तो 12:30 भी कुछ नहीं होता है. जहाँ पर टेम्परेचर अगर बहुत कम है तो 12:30 कुछ नहीं होता है, बट नॉर्मली 12:30 to 4 ओके. बट ईच अगेन डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंडिविजुअल स्किन, इंडिविजुअल टेम्परमेंट. आप कितनी देर बैठ सकते हो, आपका बॉडी कितनी देर ले सकती है. पसीना शुरू हो गया, स्टॉप इट, फिनिश, मतलब हो गया काम, नहीं तो और सर्दी लग जाएंगे. बट सनलाइट इज एसेंशियल फॉर चार्जिंग द ब्रेन बैटरी. सोलार बैटरी है, इसको चार्ज करना बहुत जरूरी है. विदाउट दैट नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. बैटरी इज प्लेस हियर and it needs solar energy for charging. Otherwise, what is going to happen? How? There must be some battery somewhere, no? How the body is running? कोई पेट्रोल तो नहीं है तो क्या होगा? Keep thinking. You get. Start with Milab. Start with Bhandari. कल का भी जो था ना सेशन आ गया.
Fine. This is regarding that smell, uncle. It was one clicking in my mind when smell goes in. So as you told, it will be outward from cough, or and if it's go in and followed by negative smell followed by positive smell. Once negative smell entered and it goes in brain or behind this level, and then immediately we followed by positive smell, that is good smell. So whether it will be workout or how it throw out in a good.
हिंदी बोल. तो मैं इंग्लिश में समझा नहीं रहा हूँ. I am thinking in Hindi. So I want
Fine.
listen in Hindi.
अंकल स्मेल एक तो आप बताया कि स्मेल जो अंदर एंटर हो रही है, बैड स्मेल जो है, वो आप बोले थॉट्स, मतलब यहाँ पे कब से निकल जाएगी. वन
मेरे बॉडी में निकली बोला.
यस, आपकी बॉडी में.
मेरे को नहीं
हाँ, वो तो नहीं निकली. एंड सेकेंड अंकल जो स्मेल अंदर गई है, फॉर अस, फॉर मी.
यस, नाउ आई गॉट इट. हाँ, ये कहना वो. यस, खड़ा रहे, कोई नहीं है, कैमरा में आता रहेगा, लोग देखते रहेंगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. अगर if your body goes out of gear on account of a smell, then the correction is not food, only smell can be the correction. Yes, that is one of the biggest point in the world. If goes wrong not without food, then smell only can repair. Now we have to find out counter smell of that. कितना सुपर पॉइंट है. इट्स रियली वंडरफुल पॉइंट फॉर रिसर्च. कहीं भी डाल देना चाहिए सब साइड में रिसर्च के पॉइंट, या अपने अपने नाम से ही डालो ना. यू स्प्रेड दिस वंडरफुल सेशन यस्टरडे, दिस पॉइंट एक डाल दो, अपने जरूरत रबिंग नाम से डाल दो, तो फैलेगा कैसे? बस फैलाना है तो यू हैव टू डू सम होमवर्क. एंड वी आर एवरी मंडे वी आर गेटिंग सम न्यू सब्जेक्ट फॉर रिसर्च फॉर वेस्टर्न पीपल. हियर तो कोई न्यूज़ नहीं है. अभी इसने पूछा ना ऐसे, तो मेरे को कल एक जोक याद आ गया. से पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के पास में एक जना गया, पंडित जवाहरलाल सर ऑटोग्राफ प्लीज, साइन कर दिया। तारीख भूल गए साहब, तारीख लिख दिया, संदेश। देन उसने देखा द सिग्नेचर वाज इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन वाज इंग्लिश, तारीख उर्दू था तो उसने लिखा तारीख भी उर्दू में, संदेश बोला हिंदी में तो उसने मैसेज दिया हिंदी में। तो जो तू बोलेगा उस भाषा में
अंकल व्हाट वी ईट इनटेक, सो उसमें भी स्मेल अंदर जा रही है खाने में, सो उसमें एवरी
स्मेल है दैट इज अच्छा ही है ना बॉडी।
एवरी टाइम दैट विल बी अच्छा अंकल, या गुड फूड ओनली विल बी अच्छा, या फिर
यस खाने का अपना जो जीरोथेरेपी का स्मेल है दैट इज वंडरफुल स्मेल एंड इट कैन गो इनटू द बॉडी एंड इट इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय द बॉडी एंड इट इज एक्सेप्टेड बाय द ब्रेन एज यू ईट, नॉट एवरीथिंग गोज इनसाइड, the smell goes to the brain also. लेकिन if we eat rubbish like garlic, onion, that's why we say this is not suitable for human being, not suitable for human. All the time we are telling, all the time these are because of the smell dangerous all the time. But people don't. Again I am reminded of a joke, right? One fellow said, I am on diet, eating garlic and beans and all that. What happened? I reduced 1 ounce and I left without 10 friends. I am reduced by 10 friends because garlic का smell इतना था, friendship भी बढ़ गया। एक आधा ounce घटा उसका और friendship इतना बेकार है garlic कि आदमी भी पार में नहीं आते हैं, तो कहाँ से कितना danger है। And for medical science it is good. Because the research done by medical science, उनका खाना भी तो wrong है. How can they do the right research? The food itself for them is corrupted. कैसे ठीक होगा? Second point कुछ बोल रहा था? हाँ वही हो गया। मिलाप। पहले लिख कर रख लो ना, क्यों है कि what happens you are not able to come here many times. Just give a slip before the start or after the start slip. Then बहुत फायदा होगा लोगों का, बहुत फायदा होगा। Everybody has a doubt, but is not able to recollect the doubt in the meeting here. Slip, take note. Then collectively, one day we will not talk, we will only answer. ये लेक्चर ही नहीं करेंगे, इतने सारे किट हो गए बात।
कभी कभी ऐसे टेढ़ा बैठ के लेक्चर सुनते हैं, या स्कूटर में कोई जर कर जाता है, या रॉन्ग पोजीशन में बैठ के हम काम कर लेते हैं, तो इधर लोअर बैक एक होता है, उसके लिए कुछ रेमेडी बताइए। सबको ये प्रॉब्लम रहेगा?
नहीं, हम तो एक बात है कि हम तो कभी किसी के रेमेडी नहीं बताए। वी डोंट गिव यू रेमेडी, बट वी सजेस्ट पोस्चर सो दैट यू विल नॉट हैव ए प्रॉब्लम। वी नेवर से रेमेडी, गलती करना ही नहीं है। बट वाई डू यू गेट दिस? बिकॉज योर पोस्चर इज नॉट करेक्ट। Yeah, you keep in mind, it will not. If you see, most of the ladies, they drive scooter, and most of the gents, when they drive scooter, see the posture. Always, ladies are sitting ekdam perfect, and gents are sitting all the time. You watch, then it's going to bound to have. उनको दिमाग कहाँ से है वो नहीं मालूम अपने को, but they are all the time, and we people, you know. So you have to watch and learn from good people. नहीं, अगर एक तो है कि अपने को लाना ही क्यों, होगा ही नहीं। अगर इफ यू आर ड्राइविंग प्रॉपरली, सिटिंग प्रॉपरली, देन यू डोंट नीड दिस, राइट? हो भी गया, देन अगेन यू करेक्ट इट बाय सिटिंग प्रॉपरली, ऐसा ना। अगर यहाँ पर है तो स्ट्रेच and press, यहाँ भी है ना, यहाँ भी ऐसे प्रेस करके दोनों पैर को ऐसा रखो और शोल्डर पे कम दुखता है ना, छोटा सा तकिया रख दो, स्मॉल पिलो, और टॉवल को राउंड करके ऐसा दबा दो, बट ज़्यादा नहीं करना, नहीं तो दूसरी जगह पेन आ जाएगा. यू हैव टू वेरी केयरफुल. थोड़ा सा बाल जैसा बना देना टॉवल को, एंड जस्ट प्रेस इट, vanishes. एंड बाम नहीं लगाना उधर, वो इंपॉर्टेंट. बाम एंड गर्म पानी एंड ऑल दैट. पहले तो बीबी को बोल फूल लगाएंगे, मल्लीपू सब, क्या तो तेरे को अच्छी स्मेल आ जाएंगी, समझा ना. तो और सुनेंगे क्या बीबी तेरे को, बोलेंगे धर्म है पाप पाप, तो नहीं बोलेंगे ना. नहीं बोले जब ठीक है, नहीं तो क्या बोझे ना, फूल को टच करने में पाप लगता है. राइट. चंदन, केसर, गुलाब, ये सब अच्छे है ना रहे, उससे ऊपर क्या होना. आई डोंट यूज पॉजिटिव बट दे आर रियली गुड. जो सूंघने से यहाँ पर नहीं दुखता है उस समय वो राइट है. अगर सर्दी में सूंघ लिया चंदन तो दुखने लग जाएगा. कल इतना सा चाय पिया ना कोल्ड, वाह, घर तक मेरा ये दांत ये दुखता रहा है. इट जस्ट टच इट एंड इट वाज पेनिंग यहाँ तक पूरा, एंड इट वेनिश. चंदन की लकड़ी रखने से ठंड नहीं फैलेंगी. चंदन की लकड़ी से बीमार नहीं होने वाला है, क्योंकि चंदन अगर घिसता है ना, व्हेन यू चंदन को घिसो ना, तभी उसकी स्मेल स्प्रेड होती है. दैट इज द ब्यूटी. चंदन की लकड़ी ऐसा रख दो, कोई बीमार नहीं, चाहे गर्मी है सर्दी है, नथिंग गोइंग टू हैपन. ओनली घिसते हो ना, इसीलिए वो क्या करते हैं, मारवाड़ी कितना होशियार है, केसर डाल देता है कि एकदम ठंडा हो जाएगा बॉडी सूंघने से, तो केसर डाल दिया. फिर और मारवाड़ी पे इंटेलिजेंट हुआ, सस्ता कैसा करना, तो बरास डाल दिया उसमें. उसके बाद से और सिर दुखने लग गया. चंदन केसर इज एकदम राइट, ना तो ठंड ना गर्म. इसलिए टिंकी यहाँ इसलिए लगाते हैं, चंदन केसर की टिक्की इसलिए लगाते हैं कि यू नो इट बैलेंसेस. वो भी हम तो कितना परफेक्ट मालूम है. जैसे गर्मी होती है ना, आंटी को बोलता हूँ घर में ही बनाते हम तो, वो घिस करके आज केसर कम डालो गर्मी में, ठंडी है तो केसर बढ़ाओ, चंदन की इतना बैलेंस कर देते. टिंकी को भी हम बैलेंस करते हैं हॉट एंड कोल्ड. यू नो दैट मच वी आर प्रोफेशनल. कितना प्रोफेशनल है. आज ऐसा है तो उसको बदलो भैया. मिलाप क्या हो गया रे, चला गया क्या तो. पीआर ट्रेडर्स है कि नहीं है क्या. नहीं वो दुबला हो गया तो दिखा नहीं मेरे को.
सीड्स वाले जो ये भिंडी वगैरह ना, तो ये कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन है कि ये किडनी में जाके अटक जाता है.
करेक्ट.
उसको थोड़ा
करेक्ट. देख ना, गाल ब्लैडर स्टोन या किडनी में स्टोन का मेजर पॉइंट हम दोनों बात कर रहे थे कल, कि जितने भी गाल ब्लैडर स्टोन, किडनी स्टोन के जितने भी है ना, हमने देखे केस, सब तपस्या करने वाले गर्म पानी वाले थे. इतना हमने देखा, सब गर्म पानी तपस्या वाले ही थे. ये गया, अच्छा उसने पहले 28 गया, उसने 30 गया, सब कल परसों हम जितने भी देखे सब वही थे. तो अब गाल ब्लैडर स्टोन टमाटर खाने वाले जितने भी, उनको किसी को नहीं आया. समझे ना. अब वो क्या करते हैं, बीज मीन स्टोन समझ लेते हैं, एंड बीज इज रफेज. बीज एकदम अच्छा है रफेज के लिए, बीज वाइटलिटी के लिए अच्छा है. एंड उसने ऐसा बनाया है ऊपर ना जल, सो वो कभी स्टोन बन नहीं सकता. सी द टमाटो हैज गॉट स्मॉल कवरिंग, यू नो, वाइट जेल, इट कैन नॉट बी, सो इट कैन नेवर बिकम स्टोन. कितना फर्स्ट क्लास बनाया नेचर ने, एंड वी डोंट बॉदर. लेकिन एक बात है, अगर टमाटर का स्किन निकल जाता है और सूप में ऊपर डालते हैं ना सांबार में, तो दैट स्किन है ना, दैट में बी हार्मफुल. इसके लिए ऐसा स्किन रहना नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए निकाल देना खाते वक्त. तो बीज नॉट डेंजर है. टमाटर बहुत बार क्या होता है, टमाटर का स्किन अलग हो जाता है ना गर्मी में, इसलिए अपने क्या बोलते हैं, बाद में डालो, ऊपर मत डालो, तो वो स्किन निकलता भी नहीं है. एक एक जगह में साइंस है किचन में. किचन इज फुल ऑफ साइंस, बाकी अपने सब बकवास है. And ladies know the science without really knowing the science, because they don't know, but they are practiced. ऐसा चमका दिया, ऐसा गया, वैसा गया. Science is there, but they don't know what science is that. लिख कर रखो रे, डाउट है, लिख कर रखो फटाफट.
अभी हम दो आंख से देखते हैं, और अगर एक आंख से देखे या दो कान से सुनते तो एक कान से सुने. Will it matter seeing the objects properly, or there is some coordination between the two eyes and there is a coordination between 2 ears?
भगवान नेचर ने बनाया है तो सब सोचकर बनाया है. हाँ, दो उन्होंने रखा है तो दोनों कान साइमल्टेनियसली काम करने के लिए रखा है. दोनों आंखें सामने, दे टॉक अमंग देमसेल्फ, देन गिव द पिक्चर. आंख एज यू सी, यू नो हाउ, आंख जो देख रही है, वॉट एवर यू सी थ्रू द आई, it is not forming a picture, it signals to the brain, then brains give the, दोनों को जाता है यहाँ से वहाँ से, and the picture is formed and that picture is analyzed by the brain. So बहुत जरूरी है दोनों. और अगर एक आंख चली गई by chance, then you will be missing that distance also. Navaba Patadi practice after losing one eye, how much he will miss, and he practice. इतना स्पीड में भी देखा ना, but not all are Navaba Patadi. But nature has made only heart, lungs, nature has made one, because they are the last to fail. By chance accident happens, still I can manage after some time. जैसे कल बताया ना नीलेश भैया ने कि उल्लुओं को कैसे एडजस्ट किया, उल्लू की आंख बंद कर दिया तो एडजस्ट कर लिया उन्होंने वापस. ईयर स्टार्टेड लिजनिंग और आई स्टार्ट लिजनिंग, वो सब बॉडी में इतना कैपेसिटी है. बट वो जानवर लोग क्या करते हैं, गड़बड़ नहीं करते हैं, अपने गड़बड़ करते हैं ना. सी वी मेडल विथ योर बॉडी, देन बॉडी डजंट वर्क प्रॉपरली. अदरवाइज इवन नोज कैन डू अ वर्क ऑफ सीइंग इफ वी रियली प्रैक्टिस. The body has got all the capacity that ear can watch. अंते वो कैसे मालूम पड़ जाता है? Body can practice. वापिस तुम क्या करना, ये जो आता है ना YouTube में, सब अपने रिलेटिव को, पीयर को बोल देना कि भाई टीवी में YouTube लगा दो, मेरे को देखो, तो अपना फैलेगा. This is one way of spreading. Yes, ask question, tell them, उस दिन देखो मैं उस दिन पूछी ना, कुछ नहीं थी, वो देखेंगे बोला अच्छा है, तो you know, communicating, really good, it helps.
अंकल, बॉडी में जब पेन होता है तभी अपन को मालूम पड़ता है बीमार हो रहे हैं, तो क्या वो पेन है ना हील होने का सिम्टम है?
एक्चुअली पेन जब भी होता है, समथिंग गॉन रॉन्ग इन द बॉडी, तब पेन होता है. एंड कैपेसिटी ऑफ पेन बैरिंग इज डिफरेंट, नोइंग द पेन ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. किसी को छोटा मोटा पेन मालूम नहीं पड़ता है, एंड किसी को पेन ज़्यादा मालूम पड़ता है. पेन अगर आया है मीन्स समथिंग रॉन्ग, रिपेयरिंग के लिए नहीं हो सकता. वो रॉन्ग का है उसको देखो, रिपेयरिंग का पेन नहीं हो सकता. रिपेयर में बुखार आएगा, समझे ना, रिपेयर में बुखार आएगा, रिपेयरिंग में वॉमिटिंग होगा, रिपेयरिंग में डिसेंट्री आएगा. लेकिन पेन है समथिंग रॉन्ग, वो कारण ढूंढो, एंड वो कारण जाते से पेन ऑटोमेटिक गॉन. ओके, 2 minutes. वेजिटेबल को कट कर रखने में कोई टेंशन नहीं है. फ्रूट्स नहीं, फ्रूट्स को, वेजिटेबल को इतना डेंजर नहीं है. फ्रूट्स लाइक कोई भी फ्रूट्स को कट करके नहीं रखना. बोलते हैं कट कर रखो 45 मिनट, वो सब नहीं. फ्रूट्स को कट करो, उसी समय खाओ. ऑक्सीडेशन उसमें जल्दी हो जाता है, या जो भी होता है. क्यों, एप्पल काटते तो को रखते ही ब्राउन हो जाती है ना. और दाड़म रखने के बाद में जो भी खाया है सर्दी होती है. जिसने भी दाड़म रख कर खाया है इस सर्दी होती है, दाड़म नाइट को खाया तो सर्दी होती है, डिपेंड ऑन बॉडी। जूस कभी भी नहीं पीना, दाड़म खाने के लिए पैदा हुआ है, दाड़म जूस के लिए नहीं पैदा हुआ, ये मानकर चलो। जैसे ही दाड़म जूस पिया, मे गो रॉन्ग विथ योर बॉडी एंड द टाइम अप, विल सी योर नेक्स्ट।